Was that a Hitmonlee?
No.
Who is that?
That is Electabuzz.
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 Voici, voici reine. Voici reine.
Guess what Pokemon that is?
Goldeen.
That was Goldeen.
Voici reine. Voici reine.
That is French. French, by
Oh,
the
it's
way.
French.
That
I'm
one's
sorry.
French.
I couldn't even tell you. I couldn't fucking tell
You know that one?
No, some kind of bird Pokemon.
Yep. That is Victory Bell.
It's like it was caught mid-scream, and the second it releases, it just picked up where it left off.
This one, I thought, like, there's no way this is real. And I've tried to verify it. I can't find anything suggesting it's a joke.
No.
That's getting banned.
Because a lot of people in our Pokemon impressions video recommended a lot of them.
Yeah.
This is one that they
probably the
recommended.
biggest one that they recommended.
Yeah.
Who got that approved? In what language?
That is French, and apparently it is Starmie. I'll play it again.
Which Pokemon is this?
This is another one. I have 3 more minutes of that. It's apparently a real Pokemon named Guzzlord.